Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to apply for a commercial real estate loan in Lendio. If you're purchasing or refinancing property for your business, Lendio can connect you with commercial real estate lenders. Here's how to apply. First, log into your Lendio account on the website using your credentials, and then on your dashboard, you're going to click apply for a loan. From the loan options, here you're going to select commercial real estate loans. Now you're going to need to enter your business information, which of course includes your industry, years in operations, and annual revenue. Moving on, you're also going to need to provide property details, including location, purchase price, or current value if refinancing. Go ahead and upload required documents such as financial statements, tax returns, and property records. If applicable, you want to include lease agreements or rent roll to demonstrate income from tenants. Fill in your personal ownership details and credit score range, and be sure to carefully review the application before submitting. But if everything looks good, go ahead and click submit application, and Lendio will match you with lenders who specialize in commercial property financing. This loan type is ideal for expanding your business footprint or refinancing existing real estate debts at better terms. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.